Hi everyone, I'm Essex Dave. If it's your first time to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Coming up in this video, a visit to Wan Chai, checking out some off the beaten track attractions. Today we're going to take the Star Ferry to Wan Chai. This is the least popular of the two Star Ferries, but hopefully we won't have to wait too long. Once again, the fare is a very reasonable $3.20 or $4.20 on public holidays. Destination there, a golden triangular building, the Central Plaza. And sitting in front of it is the Wan Chai Exhibition Centre. So, welcome to the Central Plaza. This is a very impressive building, built in a postmodernist style, but I can detect there are a few touches of Art Deco in this design as well. So, very impressive columns. But there is also a hidden attraction inside here. Now I've got to see if I can find it. And here it is, the shuttle lift to the 46th floor sky lobby. We're going to get some fantastic views all over Hong Kong Island. So here we are. So that's Wan Chai down below. Coming up in the background is Happy Valley. Looking out now towards Causeway Bay. You can just see down there the typhoon shelter, which is now full of luxury yachts, and it used to be for fishing boats. So the sky lobby is huge. There's the eastern part of Victoria Harbour. You can see Sim Sar Choi East. Very far in the distance is the cruise terminal, and a better view of Causeway Bay. And then the views over to Sim Sar Choi. You've got the, down below you've got the exhibition centre. In Victoria Harbour, Sim Sar Choi, you can just see the clock tower in the background, the ICC coming around. You can just about see Chin Yi Bridge and the IFC, and you can see the Legislative Council down there, Bank of China. So apparently the Central Plaza was designed in a kind of triangular configuration to give more harbour views to everybody who rents an office up here, and I think it works really well. For a while, between 1992 I think to 1996, it was actually the tallest building in Asia. And a couple of other little bits of trivia about this building. Up on the 75th floor, you've got the highest church in the world. And this sky lobby also featured in the US television series, The Amazing Race. Fantastic. Definitely come up for the view, like I say, and it's totally free. Probably the best observation, one of the best observation decks in Hong Kong. We've also got the Hope World Centre there, the round one, with its rotating restaurant that no longer rotates. And another great view of Victoria Harbour. Really nice lift lobbies. Come and see it. It's very impressive. This building here used to be the old Wan Chai Market, and it's now like a designer shop with a block of flats on top. But it was ordered to be a listed building because of its Bauhaus exterior and facade that you can see here. The new Wan Chai Market is just over there. The developers were ordered to keep the facade, and for that, keeping that, they built this block of flats on top. This is probably the most famous old building in Wan Chai. Not surprisingly, it's known as the Blue House. Another grade 1 listed building. It's an old style tenement building, but the feature that makes it so special is it still has its original balconies, and on the upper floors it still has lots of its original occupiers or tenants or landlords. Lots of people only come as far as the Blue House, but if you keep on walking up this street, there is more. Come to this great little temple, Pak Thai Temple. final off the beaten track destination, Lovers Rock. The way to Lovers Rock is via Wan Chai Gap Road. Just follow it. And this is Wan Chai Gap Road. More of a path, don't expect to encounter any vehicles at all, only people. After 10 minutes walk uphill, you come to this point. Nice big banyan tree there, a little park behind, and some signposts. You've got Bowen Road, which is a nice walk as well, but there, Lovers Rock that way. According to the map, it's 10 minutes in this direction. Some Wanchai views from Bowen Road. Bowen Road is mostly used as an exercise path or dog walking. So we've made it. So it's up in this little garden here. So you just have to follow these steps up. Ooh, so finally made it, quite a lot of steep steps up, and here it is, Lovers Rock. And from the shape of it you get the idea why it's called Lovers Rock. Very phallic in its look. So people come here to make offerings, couples come here to hope for a happy marriage, boyfriends and girlfriends who hope that they will get married, sometimes even single people hoping to find their Mr. Right or Mrs. Right. If you enjoy a bit of exercise after you've strolled through Wanchai, this is definitely for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.